Here are three lamps. Lamp A flashes every 20 seconds, lamp B every 45, and lamp C every 120. Three lamps start flashing at the same time. How many times in 1 hour will the three lamps flash at the same time? The lamps flash at the same time when these numbers match up. Mathematically, what we're looking for is the common multiples of these numbers. One way to do it would be to write a list. That might be okay, however, if the numbers are quite difficult, you could be writing the list for a long time. The other approach would be to do a Venn diagram and firstly get the prime factors of each number. So let's look at lamp A first of all. 20 can be divided by 2, 2 again, and 5. So A, which is 20, is 2 times 2 times 5. If we look at B, 45 can be divided by 3 to give 15, 3 to give 5, and 5 to give 1. So B can be written at B, which is 45, can be written as 3 times 3 times 5. C then is 120. You can divide it by 2 to get 60, 2 to get 30, 2 to get 15, 3 to get 5, and 5 to get 1. So C can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. You can also write those in index form, however we're not asked to do that and we don't really need it at this stage. A Venn diagram would have 3 circles, one for A, one for B, and then also one for C. So let's see what's common in, let's put in, what's common in all of them. They all have a 2 in the A and in the C, but there's no 2 in the B. So that first 2 I've crossed out is common to A and C. So it'll go in here. There's another 2 and it's common with the C. So again, it can go in there. There's a 5. There's a 5 in the B and there's a 5 in C. It's common to all of them. So the 5 goes in the middle. We're left then with, over here, a 3. There's a 3 in the C as well, so they'll match up. Let's cross them out. A 3 and a 3, common to B and C, so they'll go in here. Now there's another 3, but it's not common with any of them. There's no other 3s left in C or A, so that 3 is just going to have to be out with B on its own. And this extra 2 will be as an extra factor, which the other ones don't have, so it'll be in the C, 2. Just make sure the comma there, it's not 22, it's 2 and 2. Okay. From there, what do we do? If we multiply together all the numbers in the Venn diagram, we will get the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple of those numbers would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Quickest way to do that calculation actually would be to notice that all the numbers in the Venn diagram they're actually all in C, apart from the number 3. So if you get this number, C, which is 120, and just triple it, that'll work out that calculation. So 360. So what does that mean? Every 360 seconds, the lights will flash together. Okay, so A will have flashed maybe a lot of times, B a lot of times, but C will only flash 3 times, and it's not until the third time, to 360 seconds, that these ones will coincide and they'll all flash simultaneously. So the lowest common multiple is 360, so they flash together. You could say they flash. Sorry, this pen is terrible. They flash together every 360 seconds in minutes If you divide that by 60 to get it into minutes, that would be every 6 minutes. And how many 6s are in 1 hour? So in 1 hour, you would do 60 minutes divided by 6 to see it would flash every 10 minutes. So your answer would be 10 times. And that's why it's in the challenge paper.